Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Nasik location. It is from Maharashtra. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are job openings available for freshers and as well as experienced candidates for US and UK process from Webin Technovation Private Limited. It is for Nasik location, Maharashtra. So salary will be 12,000 rupees per month for these positions. Having good communication skills and good incentives and salary, so they are going to offer good incentives along with the salary. So interested candidates, you can walk into the below address between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So for more detailed information about these job vacancies, you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for sourcing executive, staples, dry fruits. It is for Nasik location from Udan. And coming to responsibilities, direct sourcing of dry fruits from miller or processor and or brokers are agents of substitute brands, relationship management with the brokers and supplier development as per the QC norms, supplier credit reference and management for local market sourcing, on-field quality control and monitoring and dispute settlement, daily MIS for taking close and fast decisions. So remaining rest of the responsibilities, you please go through it once. And for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here. There is a job vacancy for collection associate position from HDB Financial Services Limited for Nasik location. So key functions will be taking care of collection and recovery in lending portfolio, handling individual collection portfolio, updating visit trails and money collection details on mobile app, 100% visit on all cases and tracking asset utilization and availability, managing daily, weekly targets as to facilitate the monthly targets, ensuring adherence to process, compliance and audit related activities and no delay in deposition. So these are the key functions for this job vacancy, and for more details about this job vacancy you can visit in this website link provided here. There are openings available for PHP developers. It is for fresher candidates from Unicom Group for Nasik location, and the salary will be between 1,20,000 to 3 lakh rupees per annum. So coming to job description, Unicom Group is a leading software MNC having headquarters in Saudi Arabia. So they are hiring for PHP developer for fresher candidates. It is for Nasik location. So they need freshers and as well as experienced candidates. Mandatory internship into PHP. So you need so internship into PHP is mandatory. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is cv@unicomg.com. There is a job opening for marketing analyst position from Unicom Group for Nasik location, and salary will be between 1,80,000 to 4 lakh rupees per annum. So above 3 years of experience candidates are eligible for this position, and having skills like social media marketing, marketing analysis and making business plans. It is a full-time job. So interested candidates, please check with the details provided here, and if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is cv@unicomg.com. So there is a job vacancy for software tester position from the same organization, Unicom Group, for Nasik location, and the salary will be between 1,80,000 to 4 lakh rupees per annum. So they need above 1 year of experienced candidates for this job vacancy. So it is a work from office. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is cv@unicomg.com. Next, from the same organization, another vacancy is there for Flutter developer position. salary will be between 2 lakhs to 4 lakh rupees per annum, and they are looking for Flutter developers. Above 1 year of experienced candidates are required for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is cv@unicomg.com. There is a job vacancy for Angular JS developer positions from the same organization, Unicom Group. So salary will be ranging between 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs rupees per annum, and they are looking for about 2 years of experienced candidates for this job opening. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is cv@unicomg.com. There are two job vacancies available from General Mills. Firstly, they have vacancy for India Foods Executive supply chain position. It is for Nasik location. So coming to job description and candidate profile, you should be a graduate BE or BTech with MBA. Supply chain is preferred. So having 2 to 5 years of relevant working experience in inventory planning or purchase or materials, management or supply chain planning of MRO, and having basic analytical skills and decision making skills, and should have good negotiation skills and commercial acumen, and also drive to achieve results and getting things done. So this is about the candidate's profile, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here, that is https://careers.generalmills.com/careers/jobs. There is a job vacancy for production executive India Foods. It is from General Mills for Nasik location. Coming to key responsibilities, drive shift DDS process including shift to shift handover, ensure team creates robust plan for their shift, and each have clearly allocated roles and actions for delivering the results for the shift, engage team to identify, prioritize, and drive out losses to maximize performance results, accountable to performance standards, safety, quality, job performance, master sanitation schedule MSS, attendance, team effectiveness, ensure standard shift performance reporting to PLT including all DMS, support business growth, zero critical observations in audits and best in class 5S, coordinate daily staffing across the shift and adhere to site standards around break time, vacation scheduling, overtime management, absenteeism. So these are the key responsibilities for this job opening, and for more detailed information, you can visit in this website link provided here, that is https://careers.generalmills.com/careers/jobs. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.